Hi, I'm Jazz. In this video, I'm going to show you daily stretches that I've been doing for more than 30 years. I've just turned 54 and I have no aches and pains. What is the aim of these stretches? Well, these daily stretches tone your muscles and joints. They also strengthen your muscles and give your joints flexibility. And they can be done in the comfort and convenience of your home. And don't worry if you can't do all the stretches at the same intensity. Hopefully, if you do these every day, your body will stretch over time. Okay, let's get started. The first exercise, feet slightly apart. We're going to bend the left leg, lift the right leg up, and balance with our arms out. You can use a wall, a table, or a chair for support. What we're going to do is just turn our foot to the left a few times and then to the right. And as we bring it down on the toes only. And then we scrunch the toes and then back down. And do that a couple of times. And then we change. Now this exercise works the ankle, the knee and the arch of the foot, helping you to develop your posture and balance. The next exercise is calf raises. So feet slightly apart, I'm just going to lift our legs, hold for 1 second and back down. Up, down. And just do this 6 times or so. You should feel the stretch on your calf muscles in your lower legs. Okay, next exercise, we're going to have our legs apart and we're going to squat all the way down. Gently does it. And just hold for 15 to 20 seconds. A long time ago, this was the natural human sitting position before furniture. It was also the number 1 and number 2 position before toilets were invented. So when we're going to get back up, we'll put our arms out and use our thighs to lift ourselves up, like so. And then, legs apart, slightly bent, stomach in, arms bent, shoulder height. We're just going to twist our body to the left and then to the right. Not forward, not backwards. Keep the back straight and just twist. Like so. When the elbow is at the front, you should be able to draw a straight line through the elbow, through your body and through the other elbow at the back. Like so. Okay? Okay, and then legs together, we're going to work our sides. So one arm goes up, the other one goes down. Again, not forward, not backwards, keep your back straight. Up and then down, like so. And do that 6 times or so. Okay, and legs apart again. We're going to work our shoulders and our upper back. So arms bent, it's going to go underneath, back, on top, back, underneath, back, on top. Do that a few times and then go over the head and then down, over the head and then down. Okay, and to finish off, just going to bend our arms and just stretch the elbow like so, to the left and then to the right. Okay, and then we're going to work the wrists by just turning the hands one way and then the other way. Okay, and now we're going to rotate our shoulders few times, and then we're going to rotate our neck very gently. Round it goes. Do that a couple of times. And the other way. And then look to the left as far as possible, and then to the right. Okay, now we're on the floor, lying down. First exercise, we're going to work the hips. Now the feet, legs and back stay on the ground. And all we're going to do is move the hips in a zigzag position, like so. Here we go, like so. The hips are moving in a zigzag position, up and down. Then we're going to bring the left leg up as far as it goes, then down, and the right leg, and do that a few times. And then both legs are bent, the back stays on the ground, and we're going to turn the legs to the right and then to the left. So we'll turn them to the right knee touches the floor, and then to the left knee touches the floor. Do that a couple of times. And then keeping the left leg bent, we're going to raise the right leg as far as it will go. The back stays on the floor. 3 times. Change legs. And now keeping both legs bent, we're going to raise the back off the floor. The arms stay straight on the floor. Stomach is tight. We're going to lift the back as high as possible. Hold it for a second and then back down. Do this 3 times. On the 3rd time, hold it for as long as you can. Good 5 to 10 seconds if possible. This exercise really strengthens the back muscles. And then lower gently. Then we hold the back of our thighs and we just bring the knees to the chest. And we can actually rock the legs just to give it that good stretch. There we go. Back down. Now when we get up, rather than getting up like this, it could hurt your back. So what we need to do is put our arm out, use our left arm, bring the knees to the ground like so, and then lift up with the arm. Okay? So sitting down, legs straight, we're going to touch our toes. I'll start with the knees, the shins, and then the toes. Now some people can bring their foreheads right down to the knees, so it just depends on how far you can go. Holding the toes, get a good stretch on the back and underneath the legs. Hold for a few seconds. Then we're going to clasp our feet and bring them towards the groin, stretching the groin. You don't need to rock at all. Just hold for a few seconds and then let go. Okay? And now we have just a few more exercises to do standing up. Okay, we're going to continue with the groin stretch. So legs apart, left leg slightly bent, right leg straight. We're going to go down as far as we can. Hold for a few seconds. Change. Right leg bent, left leg straight. Hold it for a few seconds. Then come up. Then we're going to continue with the groin stretch and get our hands to the floor. So from the knees to the shins to the floor and hold for a few seconds. And then come up. Now we're going to stretch our thighs. So again, you can use the support of the wall, a table or chair, or you can develop your balance. So bend your left leg, left arm out, grasp the right foot, and just lean forward, bending the right leg, and hold for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. And down. Right leg bent, right arm out, grab the left foot, and just bend and lean forward. Hold for a few seconds, and then down. And our last exercise is touching our toes. So feet together, gently go down, looking forward, from the knees to the shins to the floor. Don't worry if you can't do this straight away. Over time, your body will stretch and you will be able to touch your toes. And finish off touching the floor. There we go. And that's it. So these daily stretches should take no more than 10 minutes or so. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell to be the first to receive our next video. Bye for now.